In here with my Zox mystery pack for the month of May, and just one pack, and feeling them, I can feel two singles and a regular. So we'll start with the one that feels normal and see what we got. And we got the Change Gears number 2788. Sometimes all you need is a little change of pace. And it's got a pretty cool, colorful bicycle pedal gear and wheels set up. So I guess if you're a big cycling fan. On to the next one. And we got Heels Down number 916. It's important to find your balance so you can find your... it's important to find your balance so you can ride your hardest. And so obviously this one's horse related. We got miscellaneous horse things. I'm not going to pretend to know. The inside's got heels down. We'll say helmet, stirrup. That's about what I know. And for our last one, we got You Are My Sunshine, number 2297. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. We got some nice little sunshine, rainbows, and hearts. Cute. Nice. I just wanted to make this video to get a quick little one out there. Today I'm hopefully gonna work on editing some other stuff I've been working on. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching.